So on the 17th of June I was around the West Highland line for a while, and these are the trains I got. My first one would be at Aricur and Tarbert, where we see 1Y23, the 1340 ScotRail service to Oberham Lake from Glasgow Queen Street with 156499, 156500 and 156457. And then just a short while later, this would be 1Y44, the 1409 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Oberham Lake with 156446, 156453 and 492. And then we then get on these and go to Highland proper. And then that triple set of 156s would then depart Highland proper at 1444. And then my last catch today would be for S45, the 1626 GBRF service to Fort William Alcan GBRF from North Blyth Alcan GBRF, where I have 66736.